for the following counties: in Virginia, Augusta, Central Virginia Blue Ridge, Eastern Highland, Northern Virginia Blue Ridge, Rockingham and Western Highland, and the following counties: in West Virginia, Eastern Pendleton and Western Pendleton. Wind advisory remains in effect until 6 p.m. this evening. High wind warning remains in effect from 6 p.m. this evening to 1 p.m. Thursday. For the high wind warning, west to northwest winds 25 to 35 miles per hour with gusts up to 60 miles per hour expected. For the wind advisory, southwest winds 20 to 30 miles per hour with around 50 miles per hour expected. The areas affected include, in Virginia, Augusta, Rockingham, Western Highland and Eastern Highland counties, and Northern Virginia Blue Ridge and Central Virginia Blue Ridge. In West Virginia, Western Pendleton and Eastern Pendleton counties. The hazardous weather conditions are expected for the high wind warning from 6 p.m. this evening to 1 p.m. Thursday. For the wind advisory, from 10 a.m. this morning to 6 p.m. this evening. Impacts: damaging winds will blow down trees and power lines. Widespread power outages are expected. Travel will be difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. People should avoid being outside in forested areas under out trees and branches. If possible, remain in the lower levels of your home during the windstorm and avoid windows. Use caution if you must drive. This is